Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Steve WB, and today we are going to be talking about the Vertigo effect. Some of you might be wondering what that is. It's kind of like when you're watching a Hollywood movie and somebody's like in distress and they're just freaking and the walls kind of warp behind them. That's called the Vertigo effect, also known as the dolly zoom effect. So what we're going to do is jump on my Adobe Premiere Pro, and I'm going to show you guys the quick and easy way to do this effect. So without any further delay, let's get right into it. Okay, so here we are. I have my Adobe Premiere Pro pulled up, and I've already imported a short little video into the timeline, which I'm going to show you real quick. And as you can see, as I start real close on the jar of peanut butter and just back away, and I'm just sitting in an office chair and I'm just rolling back. But it's very important that you have a video where you're actually moving away or zooming away from your subject. Okay, the next thing you're going to do is trim this video. And for this effect to work, you don't want to start the effect until you can see some of the background. So as you can tell, this starts way up close. I'm going to back it up until I get to the point to where there's a decent amount. And what I'm going to try to do is just use the bottom of this counter at the bottom of my screen as kind of a marker. You know, you got a good bit of background that's visible. And I'm going to go ahead and come over here to the left side, and you have two little stopwatches by position and scale. And what that is for is to drop keyframes on the timeline. So I'm going to go ahead and put a keyframe for position and a keyframe for scale. And so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and come all the way out to the end of this video. And you can see, like up in this area right here where I stop rolling back and the camera just kind of wobbles, I'm just going to cut that wobble out. So I'm going to just say about right here. So I'm going to cut that off, get that junk out of the way. And so, you know, this is what we're left with. So right up in here somewhere, you can tell, and this where the little blue line is here, where I put my keyframes. That's where my effect is going to start. I'm going to come all the way to the last frame of the video, and I'm going to come back over here and I'm going to make adjustments to the scale and the position. And so what I'm going to do is just zoom back in on my subject and then use the position tabs just to, you know, line it up. And you want to get as close as you can to where your effect started. So my effect started here. So I want my jar of peanut butter to be about that size and in this position on the last frame. So I need to zoom in a little more. Then I'm going to change position a little bit. And that should be it. That should be it for our effect. So let's rewind it and let's see how it came out. And there you have it. Pay attention to the background and you can see the background kind of just warping around the jar of peanut butter. Check it out one more time. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Just one quick tip. If you look in this video, you can see how as the video goes on, the jar of peanut butter goes from nice and clear, and then it looks kind of pixelated and a little blurry here. That's just because of the, I guess you'd say, the quality I shot in. I shot in 2.7K. I probably should have shot this in 4K, because if I would have shot the whole thing in 4K at this point when I backed up, this would still be clear and still look nice. So just a little quick tip. Shoot in a higher resolution, so whenever you do your zooms, you get a nice clean picture. They'll still be nice and tight, not so blurry. And there's your Vertigo / dolly zoom effect. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed that little effect there. It's nice and simple, and it gives that cool, you know, background warpage feel. And you know, you just gotta play with it and develop it, get it to where you like it and, you know, you think it looks good. This is just like a quick guide as to how to do that effect. With that being said, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you like my channel, please subscribe. And I'm Steve WB, and I'm out.